The prices of soju and beer are set to increase this month due to a rise in manufacturing costs, making it no longer feasible to keep prices unchanged.
네, 제조비 상승으로 인해 주류 가격 인상을 더 이상 미룰 수 없게 된 업체들이 소주와 맥주 가격을 이번 달부터 올릴 예정이라고 발표했습니다. So the government had actually tried to coax the manufacturers and say, don't rise the prices yet.
Yeah.
But, well,
it's because, soju is considered the 국민 drink. It's the national, it's where people turn to when they're having a hard day, when they're going through difficulties. So I think that's why they try to, don't raise it too much.
Right.
But they've already gone through a price hike earlier this year, I think in February. So this will be the second hike. And it's going to go up pretty considerably, about 7% starting this month. On the 6th, I believe, they will be raising the prices.
네, 뭐 6일이라고 하셨는데 아마 한 11월 9일쯤이라는 보도도 있습니다.
Yeah, so
그쯤에서
sometime around early this month, they are
네,
going
네.
to start raising the prices. It's probably going to be different from company to company. But I think one major company did say that they're going to try to minimize the impact of the price hike as much as they can.
Right.
They're going to supply a lot of, sufficient quantities of these beverages to their business partners until the time of the price hike so that, they can secure the inventory so people can buy them at the current price before the prices go up. And, it's all because of the rising prices of everything these days. Prices have been going up. I think we talked about the rising olive oil prices last week, but everything's been going up. They say malt prices have been going up, which is affecting beer. We mentioned how ethanol prices have been going up. There's also been a jump in the bottle prices as well. So that's affecting everything. So that's why they're saying it's no longer feasible to keep the prices unchanged.
Right. 원가 상승으로 인해서 사실 진작에 주류 가격을 올리고 싶었던 업체들인데요. 정부가 그동안에는 만류를 했고 좀 올리지 말아라. Don't raise the prices. 이렇게 얘기를 했었기 때문에 거기에 따라서 좀 올리지는 않았었지만 이번에는 불가피하다라는 입장입니다. 자, 표현 볼게요. The first one we have here is manufacturing costs.
Right, manufacturing. Manufacturing, we talk about the manufacturing industry as well, but it's basically the process of transforming these raw materials. In this case, we talked about ethanol, we talked about malt. We're transforming them into finished goods. So here it would be soju or beer through the use of tools, machine, and labor. And of course, cost would be the amount that has to be paid or spent to buy or obtain something.
manufacturing cost는 제조비가 되겠고요. 그런 제조비가 많이 올랐기 때문에라고 했습니다. 보통 우리가 이 rise하고 raise를 놓고 헷갈릴 수가 있는데요. raise와 rise 동사일 때 raise는 올리는 거고 rise는 그냥 오르는 겁니다. 네, 그러니까 누군가가 끌어올리느냐 아니면 알아서 오르느냐 이 차이가 있을 수 있고요. 명사일 때는 raise 그러면은 많은 분들이 원하는 거죠.
Yes.
봉급 인상이라는 뜻이 있고요. 명사 rise 같은 경우에는 그냥 증가라는 뜻이 있습니다. 자, there's a rise in manufacturing costs. 그래서 제조비 증가로 인해서 더 이상 동결시킬 수 없다.
Right.
그래서 raise 해야 된다, prices를.
Yes.
이런 얘기를 하고 있는 거고요. It's no longer feasible to keep prices unchanged.
Right. So feasible. If something is feasible, it means it's possible to do easily or conveniently. So I'm going to make an example sentence with not feasible.
Okay.
The plan did not seem feasible at the time, but somehow we made it work.
그때 당시에 그 계획이 실현 가능성이 없어 보였는데 그런데 여차여차해서 우리가 실현을 했다,
Yes.
해냈다 이런 의미가 되겠죠. feasible이라는 게 실현 가능하다라는 뜻이 있습니다. 그래서 우리말로는 이 소주와 맥주 가격 인상을 더 이상 미룰 수 없다라고 했지만 이거를 말 그대로 영어로 바꾸기보다는 조금 의역을 해가지고요.
Yeah.
Keep prices unchanged.
Right.
가격을 동결시키는 것을 유지하는 것이 더 이상 실현 가능성이 없다.
Yeah.
이렇게 조금 다르게
Right.
표현을 하면 되겠습니다. 자연스럽게 들리니까요. Well, here it is one more time. The prices of soju and beer are set to increase this month due to a rise in manufacturing costs, making it no longer feasible to keep prices unchanged. And those were our first two headlines. Let's take a break.